Yes, Sonic.exe.
No Sonic.exe. His evil version of Sonic who wants to murder, hate, and scare everyone with his scary punishments. That's it. You're extremely violent. Go to your room right now.
Va,